today let's talk about beams. What's a beam and what is needed? Let me tell you about this is little addition because the house ends right here. So we had to extend this one out. This is a small addition. This is only 4 foot by 20 feet out. So basically all this section has been added out. The wall, exterior wall right here has been taken off, expanded. So now this comes part of the bedroom. Now, because there is a wall on top of this, and there is a structural wall, the exterior part, remember the floor rafters are coming to that wall, so we gotta put a beam. This right here, it's a beam from that point all the way to that point. I'm sorry, there's a little noise down there. So now that beam is carrying the weight of the house from there, and that beam is sitting on this corner, and it's sitting on this post right in that corner, to make sure that the rafters from the ceiling is not gonna collapse down here. So basically, that's what it looks like upon the beam. Now this beam, because there is an old beam up there, the homeowner didn't want to remove that, so you just put a beam below. So this beam is just a bit below this floor joist. And also that's also good for waterproofing upstairs. And I'm gonna share something quick with you guys and what it looks like. I'm sorry, it's not that much light, but so right there, if you see it right there, there is. Let me just go a little closer. So right there, there is a hangers. Those are metal hangers attached to the beam. That beam is supporting the house, and there is the floor joist rafters are. It's kind of like a rafter because the flat roof up there, so that's why I call them a rafter and floor joist. It's sitting that, so that can be attached to the strong. So that's the reason that unit are there. And on this side, if you can see those babies right there, those are the hurricane plates. So that means if the hurricane wind blowing so badly, it will not take off the roof. It will not blow the roof off. So that's the purpose of it. All right, so this is an addition. It's not, I mean, this is a small addition. When it gets bigger, the beam gets bigger, it's more weight, it just all depends how much weight it is, all the calculations. And here's a couple of headers in each corner, and yep, that's it. This is a beam, and this is a small addition, and now this bedroom, it is much bigger. And also you have a couple of windows right here that's going to be sticking out. This window is going to be moving more to the center. This is just a framing part right now. And ladies and gentlemen, addition, small addition, very easy to explain to you guys. You guys take care.